So I finally got some stuff in the mail that I've been waiting for like months. We ordered a set of gauges, they never came in. We canceled the order. We ordered something else. We ordered this. It's like a Chinese version of a rice pack. It has the Italian flag on it instead of the Chinese flag. I didn't find any reviews. I think I'm like probably the only person that's ever bought it or something like that. But anyways, so let's check it out. Okay, so here's the unboxing of this thing. So here we have the instructions. They're in Chinese. Here we have them in English. Oh, these are all the sensors. So we have the power, some type of hose, a bunch of wiring, another cable, it's a sensor, looks like an oil pressure sensor, a 3-prong oil pressure sensor, or I'm not sure what it is. This thing was $300, so little stand, another type of sensor, little bolts, another harness. This looks like it's for that sensor. More sensors, and a little stem, maybe for this. I'm not sure. Oh, another sensor. Looks okay. And here we have where we plug in all the sensors. There's no buttons. We've got 2 holes right here. I guess to bolt it on somewhere, on something. And here's the screen. We got buttons on each side. It doesn't feel cheap and it doesn't feel expensive, but it was only $300. So. Doesn't have a screw hole so you can screw it down on something. I guess you just gotta use the stand. Somehow. So I want to slide in there. But yeah, it was a lot cheaper to buy this than the gauges. The analog gauges were pretty pricey, so I went with this. Hopefully it's not a waste of money. Oh, it's got the little shift lights, and yeah, I mean, we're gonna put it on the S10. Hopefully it works good, and yeah, I mean, see how long it lasts. I'm probably like the second person that's ever bought this. So hopefully it works. I mean, China's been to the moon, so I'm pretty sure they can make a gauge reader or sensor reader. I don't know. And I also bought a line lock, which is pretty cool, so we can do some badass burnouts. And I don't know about this, man.